Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install both OpenShot Video Editor and Blender. Even without Blender, OpenShot is an absolutely amazing, free, open source piece of software. I've been using OpenShot for several months now, and it is easy to use. And compared to other software, I think it's the best I've ever used. If you're looking to merge videos, pictures, use green screens, music, use masks, transitions, fades, and much more, OpenShot is all you need. I'm currently working on a series of short videos showing you not only how to use OpenShot, but how to avoid the same mistakes I made while learning. Hit that bell icon so you receive a notification when a video is released. Trust me when I say I've watched many videos, and they were great, but all of them left the trials and tribulations out. And I'm hoping these videos will help others avoid having to redo or fix a mistake after waiting a long time for your video to export. Well, let's get to downloading. Let's download and install OpenShot first. Just copy the link from the description below into a browser, select your operating system. You click download, scroll down, select your operating system. If you're not sure if you have 64-bit or 32-bit, install the 32-bit, as that will work on a 64-bit operating system. So just click download. And then go ahead and run the application. Hit open. Go ahead and click OK or yes if you get a security warning. And then you should see this dialog box. So go ahead and switch your language if you need to. But go ahead and click OK. Check I accept. Then hit next. Then hit next again. I like to create a desktop shortcut and then click next and then install. Once you reach this point, for now let's just uncheck Launch OpenShot Video Editor and then click Finish because we still have to install Blender. So I'm going to go ahead and close this and then again copy the link from the description below into the browser, and then you should see the same thing I see at this moment. Click the little menu, select your operating system, and then it should automatically start downloading. Once the download's complete, go ahead and open it again, just like we did OpenShot. And we're going to click Next. We're going to accept the terms again. Go ahead and click Next again. Click Next, and then Install. Go ahead and hit yes if you get the security warning. And there you go. We've officially downloaded and installed both OpenShot and Blender. So go ahead and hit finish. And then let's close out of this and let's go ahead and open OpenShot so that we can now configure OpenShot to work with Blender. So once OpenShot is open, you'll see this default layout, something you can modify and switch around to your liking, but I'll show you that on the next video. Go ahead and click on Edit, go to Preferences. You're probably going to see Blender and Inkscape. Now, In a later tutorial, I'll go ahead and show you how to add Inkscape. But go ahead and click Browse. And then just go to this PC. Go ahead and hit the C drive. And then go to Program Files. And then Blender Foundation. Blender 2.91. And then just select Blender. Don't double click. And then just hit Open. And that's all there is to it. Basically, if you install Inkscape, you can do the same exact thing. So that's it. That's all there is to downloading and installing OpenShot and Blender. And now when you go to use the titles in the application, you'll be able to click on it and install and use them. So remember, go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified. So when I release these videos, you're really gonna, if you're gonna use this, you're gonna really want to see the tips that I give you. I may not be the best instructor in the world, but these tips are gonna be very beneficial and save you a lot of time. All right, thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great night.